You could actually smell the sulfur coming out of the ground. I want to say right here was the movie set from the John Wayne movie. It's either right here. It's close to the hot spring. Or it's back over here a little bit. Maybe back over there. Hey guys, this is Ron with Off-Road Overland Camping, and guess where I'm at? I'm in Hot Creek, Mammoth area. There's an old set. John Wayne made movies down here. I want to say the movie he made was Rio Bravo. I'll have to watch the movie. You can see in the background, I'll show you real quick here, you can see the thermal hot spring, or not really a hot spring, but that's where the hot water's coming out. It's pretty crazy. Across the river over there, you can see the hot spring. This is where all the hot water's coming out. It's probably between 95 to 120 degrees, would be my guess. I don't really know, but it's hot. Definitely don't want to swim over there and take a jump in the water. I don't even think you'd be able to swim over there. I think the river is also hot as well. That was Hot Creek. Hiked down to the bottom. That was pretty fun. I've done that before. Next, we're gonna go check out some hot springs. Oh shit, you're not even naked, dude. Good luck. Whoa, man, that's harder than you thought it was.
About my butthole?
Whoa, you almost fell in that one. You almost fell in that one. Daddy's coming in.
Papa's coming in.
Here it comes.
Woo. Yeah, you gotta get a picture of me.
Another hot spring.
I do see a lot of skin from here.
Hot springs are packed during the weekends. During the week, it's not that bad.
Well, shit. Sausage fest.
What's the name of this hot spring?
Can you send me pictures you took on your phone in the hot tub?
Sure. What's the name of this hot spring? Does anyone know?
Hot spring. The last one was crab cooker.
Man, I'm tired. Ready to pass out. Okay, here we're gonna check out the hot spring real quick. Probably somebody bathing in it. Someone's camping here, so unfortunately, I don't know where the hot spring is. Hoping to find it. Huh. Oh, it's down here. Gotta take another walk. What's going on there? Okay, I don't know what's the name of this hot tub? Hilltop hot springs. It's a mile walk. As long as there's no mosquitoes, I'm good. Okay, this tub's called Hilltop. Check it out. Next is Wild Willie's Hot Spring. Let's go check it out, see what it has to offer. The last one was actually pretty cool. I liked it. Had a good looking girl there at the tub. She was by herself. I would have stayed, but I had to go.
That little pine tree decal on a Subaru. I'm gonna get that as a tramp stamp right above my belt line.
Yeah, that tub was the cleanest tub I've seen out here so far. All the other tubs are kind of dirty. They need to be they need to have some bleach in them or something. They're too slimy. It's not like Saline Valley Hot Springs where the tubs are well maintained. These are clean, but they could be cleaner. Well, we'd expect for free, you know?
What that is over there to the left of all those cars. Jason, do you happen to know what that is?